We build a place where men and women can come and protect our community. This is nothing but a tin building without firemen, firewomen, fire personnel, EMTs, firefighters. That's what makes this place a place that you can be proud of, and there'll be lives passed on for generations because of what these guys do. When I am called to duty, God, wherever flames may rage, give me strength to save a life, whatever be its age. Help me to embrace a little child before it's too late, or save an old person from the honor of that fate, of the horror of that fate. Enable me to be alert, to hear the weakest shout, and quickly and efficiently to put the fire out. I want to fill my calls and give the best in me to guard my neighbors and protect his property. And if according to your will I have to lose my life, bless with your protection hand of my family, my loving family, from strife.
So thanks to the citizens, they voted in consolidation, and then they reaffirmed our levy in 2021. So that's where we're at today. We're calling this the Taj Mahal for all the guys that work up here. They have their personal butlers.
Do solemnly swear that I possess all the qualifications for the office of engineer, firefighter, captain, and chief for the Southern Jackson County Fire Protection District as prescribed by law, that I will support the Constitution of the United States of America and the state of Missouri, the provisions of all the laws affecting Missouri fire protection districts and all the ordinances of this Southern Jackson County Fire Protection District. I further swear that I will faithfully demean myself in office, so help me God, I do.
When I took over at Prairie and we started this process, we moved the personnel up to 18. Currently, we just hired a group of 9, and we got some great employees thanks to some neighboring departments. We're glad to have them. They're going to help lead us on into the future, but now we have a roster of 31 full-time employees.